Hello, good morning students. Today I will tell you numerical number 4. Okay, so first read the numerical ones. The potential difference between the terminal of an electric heater is 60 V when it draws a current of 4A from the source. What current will be the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to be 120 volt? It means, first of all, what we will do, we will write all the given values. So given V is equal to 60 V and I is current is 4 ampere. Okay, two things are given. Then what current will be the heater draw? So we have to find current. Okay, when the potential difference increase to 120 V. Okay, so first of all we will use formula R is equal to V upon I from the Ohm's law. So we have to find R. Okay, value of R is 15 ohm. So now potential difference, when the potential difference is increased to 120 volt. Okay, it means we have to find I na current. So I formula we know that from Ohm's law, V upon R. So V is 120 volt and R is, okay, we have already find 15. So answer is 8 ampere. Okay, now next, resistance of a metal wire of length 1 meter is 26 ohm at 20 degree C. If the diameter of wire is 0.3 mm, what will be the resistivity of a metal at the temperature? Okay, so given values are R is equal to 26 ohm, D is equal to 0.3. Okay, R is given na 26 ohm. Okay, and this is the R is 26. Then if the diameter of wire, okay, so D, diameter means D is given 0.3 mm, means we have to multiply 10 to the power minus 3, or we can write 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. We have to change meter. Okay, so what will be the resistivity at metal at temperature? And here is length of 1 meter na, it means L is 1 meter. So here three values are given. So we have to find resistivity, and we know that the resistivity formula is rho is equal to R A upon L. Okay, or we can say R pi d square upon 4L. Okay, R A means pi d square upon 4. Okay, so this is the area. We can say R A upon L or R pi d square upon 4. This is the formula of resistivity, where pi is 22 upon 7. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. So rho is equal to 26 into 22 upon 7 upon 4 into L means 1, and D means 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. So answer is 1.84 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. Okay, now next sums, a wire of given material having length L and area of cross section A. Okay, means जो फर्स्ट वायर के लिए आपकी लेंथ L है and area A. Okay, has a resistance of 4 ohm and resistance है 4 ohm. And what will be the resistance? And what will, so first of all read the question. What would be the resistance of another wire? What will be the resistance of another wire of the same material having length L/2 and area of cross section 2A? Okay. Okay, so we will find for first wire के लिए आपका R1 का फॉर्मूला, रेसिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला रेजिस्टेंस के लिए R1 बोलेंगे. ओके, सो R1 इज इक्वल टू होता है रो L अपॉन A. ओके, एंड R1 वैल्यू ऑफ R1 इज 4 ओम. ओके, सो रो L अपॉन A इज इक्वल टू 4 ओम एंड L की वैल्यू L ही रहेगी, A की वैल्यू A. एंड सेकेंड वायर के लिए, फॉर सेकेंड वायर R2 इज रो L हो गया आपका L/2 एंड A की वैल्यू 2A, सो L/2 अपॉन 2A. सो हेयर 2 जा 4, so 1 upon, we can write 1 upon 4 into row L upon A. Okay, so R2 is equal to 1 upon 4 and this is the value of row L upon A means R1. This is the R1 and R1 is 4 ohm. Okay, so R4 is cancelled from 4, so R2 is 4 1 4, so 1 ohm. Okay, this is the resistivity for another wire or second wire. Okay, understood?